Welcome to Techwhistle. In today's video, we're going to build this simple register form. Includes email, password using Angular Reactive Forms. First, we'll create a new Angular project. In this video, we're using Angular version 21. Now, let's create a register component to implement our register form using the Angular CLI. Now, we create a new variable called register form. To use Angular Reactive Forms, we create a new instance of FormGroup. Each field, like email and password, is a form control. Unlike template-driven forms, reactive forms let us control our form logic directly in the TypeScript file, which makes it much more flexible. Now, let's update the HTML file to add the register form UI. We bind the form to our register form using formGroup on the form element. Then, for each input field, we use formControlName to connect it to the corresponding form control. Because Angular v21 uses standalone components by default, we need to import Reactive Forms module directly into the component. All right, this is our form so far. We have the email and password inputs, but we haven't implemented the register button to submit the form yet. Let's add that now. Next, we add ngSubmit to the form in the HTML file and implement the onSubmit method in the TypeScript file. Then we add a register button with type=submit inside the form. When the user clicks the register button, it triggers onSubmit and logs the email and password values to the console. Alright, that's it for this video. Today, we built a simple register form using Angular Reactive Forms. We learned how to create a form group, use formControl for each input, bind the form in the template with FormGroup and FormControlName, and handle form submission in TypeScript. The key thing to remember is that with reactive forms, all your form logic lives in the TypeScript file, giving you more control, better validation, and more flexibility compared to template-driven forms. In the next video, we'll dive into validation with Angular Reactive Forms, including built-in validators, real-time error messages, and best practices for handling form validation.